Roll the clip.
Walked into the store.
Hey, get back in your car, man. Hey, get back in your car. No, get back in your car right now.
Stop! My car was stopped and parked. Car off. I'm going to
Stop,
work, bro. Ain't no stop.
Come back here.
I'm a grown man.
Come back here.
Like, there ain't no come back.
Come back. You're getting
Bro,
resisting.
I'm going
You're
to
resisting
work.
right now.
I'm not resisting nothing.
Answer to hang on traffic stop on Walgreens, walking away.
912 got straightened out. It's your lucky day, okay? I gotta go to a different call. You can't drive. You have a suspended driver's license. You gotta stay here and call someone else, okay?
Lieutenant or something. Ain't no let's go. What's wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with you, bro?
Let's go. Step it up.
Bro, you got
Come on.
right. Got it. Hey,
We're going back
hey,
outside.
no, we're going where?
We're going back
what
outside
are you doing
right
to me?
now.
What did you do to me?
913
What did you
County,
do?
have my
Could you
back up,
please
step
bring
it
out
up.
your camera, ma'am? I'm going. My
Let's go.
job, right? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. My car. What is your reason for harassing me, man?
Because I did a
I gotta
traffic
go to
stop.
work at 10 o'clock,
Traffic
bro.
stop on you.
I gotta go to work at 10 o'clock. My car was
13
cut
County,
off.
we're back by the cooler.
And you
Let's
can run my plates. I got license and everything. What are you doing?
You have a defective brake
What
light.
are you
That's
doing?
Why that's why I stopped
bro,
you.
you did not stop me, bro. You did not stop me. And your camera show that, bro.
Let's go.
What are you doing? Let's go what?
We're
My family, please let them see that video.
Advise, 903, advise. Pull it down.
See how he putting his legs on my head for no reason, man?
Sir, he's securing you,
See
man.
this?
Hey,
See this?
We're just securing
Unnecessary
you, man.
force? Why is my head being on the ground like this?
hey,
Okay.
just calm down,
And
man.
he
Hey,
on,
we're
on
good.
my
Hey,
back. I
hey,
can't
we're good.
breathe.
Hey, we're good. You
He
can
on my
breathe.
back and I can't
Hey,
breathe. I'm
you're
not
talking
good.
to me? Hey, we're gonna get you-
No, he's on my butt and I can't breathe.
You can breathe. Just
Back up, Robbie. Robbie. Robbie, back up.
Okay.
We're just gonna be calm, okay?
All right.
There you
Don't worry about none of that.
go. You guys good to put him on his side? 1, 2, 3.
Push yourself up.
We're gonna go on this bed.
I need to go on the bed.
Well, that's how it is when you ask to go to the hospital. You have to sit on the bed. Sit down. There you go. Stop pushing against me, okay? It makes it a lot easier if you're cooperating.
Yo, what's going on, my good peoples? Welcome back to Roller Clip TV. I am your host, Roberto. Why didn't my man just stop, y'all? He saw the lights. He saw the cop following him. Why my man parking in a handicap? Why he park in a handicap spot and then jump out the car and go into Walgreens? I don't know, but before I talk about my man, there's something else that there's a confession within this video that I gotta make. Did y'all see Homegirl with the suspended license? Why was it that moment that cop got called during that traffic stop? But the cop ran over to her and said, "You cannot drive with a suspended license. You have a suspended license, so you got to stay till somebody come get you. But I gotta go. This is your lucky day." When I see things like this, I always ask myself, I bow my head and I say, God, why don't you ever do things like this to me? I can't tell y'all how many times I've been stopped by the cops and I don't get a break. But this young lady actually got away. And listen, I'm going to tell y'all something. I'm going to confess this. If I ever get stopped by the cops with a suspended license and it's my lucky day and he drives off and goes his way, my friends, I am putting my key in the ignition and I am going about my business. I won't be calling nobody to come and pick me up. I will take another chance because I feel like if I got that damn lucky, I'm sure I'm going to make it home. Now I'm going to go right home. I ain't going to go to no party. I ain't going to go to no store. I'm going to take my ass right home. That was first thing. The second thing, did y'all see my homeboy Robert in the video? When the cashier said to Rob, now the cops had my man on the ground. But then the guy who worked at Walgreens, he was such a good guy. Matter of fact, let me give him the superhero award. That's my superhero sound effect. The cops had my man on the ground. My man was such a good employee that he wanted to put the nice chips back where they belong. If y'all ain't catch that, rewind this and go check that out again. My man was such a good employee that his supervisor or whoever the cashier was that was filming it said, Rob, move from there. Just leave that. But my man said, this is my store. I love to see people taking pride in their job like that because these days it is very, very rare to see young people taking pride in their job. For those of you who have visited any McDonald's in the United States of America, you already know about the customer service you get. Now, if you go to Chick-fil-A, that's something completely different. So I salute this young man. But back to my man. Why didn't my man just stop for the traffic stop? I keep telling you guys, stop playing around with these police officers. And these guys were actually pretty cool. I'm going to take my hat off to them. They were actually pretty cool. My man could have stopped, got a ticket. I don't know if he had, even if you'd had a warrant or something like that, it don't matter. They was going to take him anyway with him running and doing all that kind of stuff. Just because you get loud in Walgreens don't mean that the cops are not going to put them silver bracelets on you. It don't mean that. Stop playing around with these police officers out there, y'all. Stop playing around. If you stop, give them your license, give them your registration, what are you asking for? Get them in your life and get them out your life. Hey, listen, this video to me had some comedy to it, so that's why I wanted to show you guys the clip. It wasn't so much about my man getting arrested. You know, I feel for him too, but homegirl got lucky as hell, and my man Rob at the Walgreens put the chips back where they belong, even though there was violence and potential danger going on. Him organizing them chips was more important than his life. And for that, my friend, you get another superhero award. Listen, y'all stop playing around with the cops. I'm Roberto on Roller Clip TV. Y'all make sure y'all check out my videos. Go back and do me a favor. Subscribe, baby.